Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Osama, and today we are talking about statistical tests in medical statistics. In this lecture, we're going to talk about the basic concepts which are essential for understanding and employing different statistical tests in our research, which include sampling distribution and the understanding of confidence interval, standard error of mean and proportion, and also p-value and significance in terms of both statistical significance and clinical significance. Moving on, we're going to talk about a very important type of tests which are known as parametric tests of significance. These tests focus on the data which is normally distributed, and the major tests included are the independent t-test, paired t-test, and one-way ANOVA and repeated Meyer's ANOVA. Similar to parametric tests of significance are the non-parametric tests of significance, which are going to cover in the third part of this lecture. And those tests include Mann-Whitney U-test, Wilcoxon-signed rank test, and Kruskal-Wallis H test. Then we have the test for correlation. Once again, we have a test for correlation in terms of both normally distributed data or parametric test, and as well as abnormal and not normal distributed data, and or you can say non-parametric test. So for normally distributed data, we have Pearson's product moment correlation, and for this data which is not normally distributed, we have Spearman rank order correlation. And we're also going to talk about how to apply both of them and their interpretation as well. At the end, we are going to talk about test of association, which we're going to talk about a very famous test, very popular one among early and young researchers, which is known as chi-square test for association. But we're also going to talk about the chi-square goodness of fit test, and we're going to talk about how to apply these tests, and we're going to talk about the interpretation of these tests as well. So that's all about the contents of the statistical tests, the lecture that we're going to cover in the upcoming sections. So stay tuned to sqadia.com for more lectures like this. Thank you very much.